Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is January the 12th, 2023. I know you guys are going to tell me that I didn't get my price prediction correct in GameStop. I get it. But let's pump the brakes right quick. Let's just talk about the market in GameStop real quick. You guys can already tell that, yes, we all acknowledge that the price in GameStop did go up. I get it. I understand. But I told you on my video, which was produced on the 6th of January, that if the price in GameStop does not trade above $20 on strength, then the weakness into the market in GameStop is still applicable, right? It's just going to take the market longer time. Now, I understand that what I'm seeing right now is telling me that I'm in the wrong position, right? In my price prediction, in my forecast, we need to recognize when trades are in your favor and when it's not. Right now, I recognize that this prediction is not going in my favor. Now, does that mean you need to go ahead and cancel out this prediction and move on to a new one? Not yet. That's why I was telling you earlier, pump the brakes. We need to try to figure out if the buyers are going to continue. So today's trading action will give us more information as to whether or not the buyers are still here. But right now, I do acknowledge that. I get it. Now, the things that's telling me that the buyers may actually be gone is when you look at the volume on yesterday's trading on top of how we closed on the price bar, right? So we already knew that $20 was resistance, meaning that we would expect selling to come into the market. Okay. And that is precisely what the daily time frame is showing us. This high volume, us seeing price close off the high of the bar, is telling me that this is where the sellers came in. So that tells me that my idea of seeing GameStop being weak is still right. The market just took the price higher because the market wanted to sell, or at least trick and induce people into coming back into GameStop, because the price has been trending down for a long time. Like, let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it real. The market was just trading at $27 in the beginning of December, and it's been a straight shot straight down, right? So it needs to give us some more life. And this is what the last 2 days in trading for GameStop did. It's trying to bring more people into buying the stock. I get it. And the reason why those 2 days came in that pushed price higher in GameStop is because there was a big person, whether it's a large institution, I don't know who it was, but they were sitting on a whole bunch of GameStop and they got out the market when it hit 20. You can even see it on the hourly time frame. Like, this is where and how you're able to do research, right? You guys can see it right there on these 2 1-hour price bars. Now, the crazy part is when you break it down into an hourly time frame, you guys can see that there wasn't no true reaction to the selling. Like, there was enough people in the market in GameStop that came and bought it, that the price did not even close lower than where it's closing on 1-hour price bar. So that tells me that there may be another opportunity that the buyers may break $20 to the upside. And then that's when I'll come back in and do another price prediction and show you how strong the market really is and get right back into position, right? Let's look at this on the 5-hour. So let me look at this on a minute basis. Look at this on the 30. Okay, so you guys can see that somebody was keeping price up yesterday right here. Is it because they have more GameStop to sell? Because that's the only reason why you'll keep price propped up. It's because you still have a stash of GameStop that you want to sell at these prices. And once that individual or a couple of individuals comes through and sell out their GameStop, that's when price would do this. Go back down, right? So I'm not going to change my price prediction, but I wanted to talk to you all about how you can recognize whether or not a play or a forecast is going against you, and how you might need to come in and readjust and come in and assess the situation. Okay. So as of right now, yes, I recognize that this is going against me, against my price prediction. And I'm cool with that because I know how the market really works. Now, today's price action is going to give me more information. Like, if I still see buyers in the market for GameStop, then it tells me that I need to cut this price prediction and play another one, because obviously the market dynamics has changed. See, all of this is just a game about probabilities. Which direction do you think the market is likely to go? And when I did my video on the 6th of January, the weakness was still present. And even though we're still trading below $20, that still tells me that the weakness is still present. It just may take the market longer for us to get to that ultimate TP price. So I'm going to keep it on pause right now. But I wanted to come in and just show you how you can tell whether or not a price is for you or if it's going against you. Okay. Take a look at that. You see that, right? The high of yesterday at Gamestop came right there to the top of that descending line and right there at my resistance area of $20. Bullseye right there. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that amazing how just a couple of lines can show you where problems are? That's like 2 strikes against the buyers already for us to see price in GameStop not trade above this descending line and not trade above this $20 resistance area. Now that's what I want to see. I want to see price break that. And if it does, I'll come back in and do another video and play some strength into the market. That's it. All right, so give me your thoughts though. What do you think now into the market for GameStop? Let's keep it real. Hit the like button, and also subscribe. Tap that bell notification as well, because I don't want you all to miss out on my videos that I produce, because these are always learning opportunities as to knowing whether or not you're good or a trade is not going for you. Check it out.